Hi everyone, welcome back to Tiny Steps to English. Today, I want to share a personal journey on how I worked to speak better English and some of the changes I noticed along the way. It wasn't an easy path, but with time and practice, I started to feel more fluent and confident. If you're also working on your English, I hope this story inspires you. When I started, I could understand English pretty well. I had watched a lot of movies, read books, and knew some vocabulary. But whenever I tried to speak, I would get stuck. I remember in a conversation, I would think of a word in my language and couldn't find the English equivalent fast enough. It felt like my thoughts were faster than my words, and that often made me hesitate or even avoid speaking altogether. I realized I need to get over the fear of sounding wrong or making mistakes. One day, I was speaking with a friend, and I could see their face struggling to understand what I was saying. I thought, if I keep hesitating, I won't improve. So I started by simply practicing what I wanted to say in advance. I would plan a few sentences in my head like how was your day or what did you do last weekend, and then practice saying them out loud. Then I started practicing every day, even in small ways. For example, when I made a phone call to order food, I would try to speak in English or use phrases I had prepared. At first, it was nerve-wracking, but each little conversation boosted my confidence. I realized it was less about saying things perfectly and more about getting my point across. Over time, I started to notice that I felt more natural. I also found that talking to myself in English helped. It might sound funny, but just narrating my day in English like I am going to the store or today was a busy day helped me practice forming sentences. Soon, I felt like I had this little English speaking zone in my mind and I could switch into it more comfortably. I wasn't waiting for a perfect opportunity to practice. I was making those moments myself. One day, I was in a group conversation and without overthinking, I added my thoughts in English. For the first time, I didn't feel the need to translate in my head. I could just speak. It wasn't perfect and I still made some mistakes. But I was so happy that I could participate. That moment made me realize how far I had come from those days of hesitation. Looking back, I realized that speaking English is more about confidence and comfort than it is about being perfect. I just had to be patient and keep pushing myself even when it was hard. So, if you're also trying to improve, keep going. You will get there. Thanks for watching and don't forget to like and subscribe for more content on the Tiny Steps to English.